Hello everyone, myself Sir Saqib. In today's video, I'll be explaining Landsbox and its word tab feature as my university's final project. Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered how word choices shape our ideas? Today, I'll show you how analyzing essays with Landsbox reveals hidden patterns in language and technology. I would like to begin by expressing heartfelt gratitude to Superior University Lahore and respected Professor Saqib Zafar for giving me opportunity to engage in meaningful research using cutting-edge technology like Landsbox. Landsbox is a software tool for corpus linguistics and text analysis. It offers frequency analysis, concordancing, keyword analysis, and statistical visualization to examine language patterns and trends. Here are the 10 benefits and functions of the word tab in LANCS box: 1. Frequency analysis. 2. Word lists. 3. CONCR dancing. 4. Keyword analysis. 5. Collocation. 6. Word clustering. 7. Part of speech tagging. 8. Lummatization. 9. Stop word management. 10. Data export. Upon launching Landsbox, you'll see various tabs for different functions. Notice the word tab at the top, which we lines be exploring in this video. I preloaded to Corpora Wonders of Science and Islam and Science. Let's access them by clicking on this folder and then navigate to the word tab. For analysis purpose, note that a folder should contain multiple files to facilitate meaningful comparison. It will facilitate efficient analysis, collaboration, and knowledge. By clicking on Word tab, a detailed list appears, displaying the frequency of each word in the text. This list is often referred to as a word frequency list or word count. As you can see in the right block, a colored circle appears, and its size is dynamically scaled to represent the number of words in the corpus. This visual representation provides an immediate sense of corpus size, allowing for effortless comparison. Moreover, the words with higher frequency appear in darker shade, while those with lower frequency are displayed in lighter color, making it visually distinguish the prominence of each word. By clicking on any word, we can also view its frequency, which shows how often it appears in the text, and by viewing its relative frequency, we can also find out its number in relation to total word count. It means how often a word appears and how evenly it spreads across the text. The color scheme is also carefully designed to reflect the relative frequency of words. A thoughtful gradient is applied where words with higher relative frequencies are displayed in deeper, darker colors, drawing attention to their prominence. Conversely, words with lower relative frequencies appear in lighter shades, providing a clear visual distinction. By double-clicking in the circle, we can further dissect the corpora into individual files. Note that the circle's size represents the number of words or tokens. A larger circle indicates more words, while a small circle indicates fewer. By double-clicking on the circle, we can further dissect the corpora into individual files. Note that the circle's size represents the number of words or tokens in each file. A larger circle indicates more words, while a smaller circle indicates fewer. Clicking on words in the frequency list shows dominant and unique words, highlighted in color if present, or marked with if absent. We can also compare to corpora by uploading another after clicking on that triangle. Click the triangle icon to open a dialog box. In the corpus field, enter the name of the pre-downloaded corpus you'd like to open. I've uploaded a pre-existing corpus, Islam and Science, for analysis. Notice that the corpus with more words appear larger in size, while the one with fewer words is displayed smaller. Overlapping circles visualize shared and unique words between two corpora. The overlap highlights common vocabulary, while non-overlapping sections reveal distinct words. This comparison exposes differences in language use and discourse, informing our understanding of language, genre, or context, and uncovering subtle patterns. The comparison reveals: 1. Shared words, highlighting commonalities and overlapping themes. 2. Unique words, indicating distinct characteristics and features. 3. Absent words, showcasing differences in language use and discourse. Furthermore, this tab also enables us to analyze word dispersion, allowing us to visualize how words are distributed across the corpora. The Landsbox Word tab is a valuable tool for text analysis. It helps researchers uncover insights and solve complex problems. By using its features, users can identify patterns, understand context, and detect keywords, informing their research and guiding them towards meaningful discoveries. Hope you have liked the video. Thanks for watching.